you staring at your sales dashboard every single day, just hoping for a spike, but all you see is a flat line? You've got a great product. You're posting on social media, maybe even running some ads. But your email list, it's growing at a snail's pace. You know you're leaving money on the table with every visitor who leaves your store without signing up. It's a frustrating place to be. It feels like you're shouting into the void, and the silence is costing you real sales. I know exactly how that feels because I've been there. But in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 proven techniques that help my client grow her email list to over 9,000 engaged subscribers and turn that into real, trackable revenue. This is what supercharged her sales and created a predictable stream of revenue she can count on month after month. These aren't just theories. These are the fast growth tactics we use in the trenches. And we're going to start by tackling the single biggest mistake most e-commerce stores are making right now. Hi, my friend, I'm LIEZLE, and I help product-based business owners harness email marketing to turn browsers into loyal customers. If that's something you need, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss future trainings. Now, let's tackle the biggest mistake most stores make. So what's the number one reason your email list isn't growing? It's your offer. More specifically, it's that lazy, uninspired 10% off your first order pop-up that ambushes a visitor the second they land on your site. We've all seen it. And let's be honest, we've all ignored it. Think about it from your customer's perspective. They don't know you. They don't trust you yet. And they haven't even had a chance to look at your products. Why would they give you their precious email address for a measly 10% discount they can probably find on a coupon site anyway? It's a low value exchange and it gets low value results. This approach trains your customers to only buy when there's a sale, which cheapens your brand. And the worst part, it just doesn't work. It attracts subscribers who are only there for a one-time deal and probably not even going to take you up on the offer. They're not loyal fans who will buy from you again and again. To build a list that actually drives sales, you have to kill this generic offer and start thinking about value first. The idea behind your campaign is 10 times more important than the pop-up itself. So let's get into the 5 proven techniques that will replace this broken strategy and get you real results. The first technique is to completely reframe your pop-up as a high converting welcome offer. The goal here isn't just to snatch an email. It's to start a relationship by providing immediate, undeniable value. Here's the strategy. Use a 2-step behavior trigger pop-up. Instead of aggressively flashing a form the moment someone arrives, let them browse. Set the pop-up to trigger on exit intent, right when they're about to leave, or after they've spent a bit of time on a product page. This timing is key because it shows you respect their shopping experience. Now, for the 2-step part, the first step doesn't ask for an email. It asks a simple, engaging question. For a skincare brand, it might be want to find the perfect routine for your skin type. For a coffee brand, want to brew the perfect cup at home. The buttons are a big yes, I do, and a subtle no thanks. When they click yes, they've made a micro commitment. Now you present the email field. But you're not just offering a discount, you're offering the solution to their question. Instead of get 10% off, the headline is great. Enter your email to get our 5-step guide to flawless skin. You're exchanging real value for their email, not just a transaction. And this simple psychological shift dramatically increases conversion rates because the user feels like they're getting something exclusive and helpful, not just another marketing email. Technique number 2 flows right from the first, creating a value first lead magnet. A lead magnet is just the resource you give away for an email address. A discount code is a lead magnet, but it's the weakest kind. A truly powerful one solves a real problem for your ideal customer. The key is to think beyond the immediate sale. What information or tool could you give away that would make your customer's life easier or better related to your niche? If you sell fitness apparel, don't just offer 15% off. Offer a 7-day at-home workout plan. If you sell kitchen knives, offer a Knife Skills 101, a beginner's guide to chopping like a pro. If you sell sustainable clothing, offer a guide to caring for your conscious wardrobe. These resources position you as an expert and build trust. A person who downloads your workout plan isn't just a discount seeker. They are a health conscious individual who is your perfect customer. They are much more likely to open your future emails and eventually buy your apparel because you've already helped them. Now, creating these doesn't have to be hard. It can be a simple, well designed PDF in Canva, a short video tutorial, or a checklist. The format matters a lot less than the value it provides. Stop trying to bribe people for their email and start earning it with genuine expertise. By the way, if you're finding these strategies helpful and you want more actionable advice on how to scale your e-commerce brand, make sure you hit that subscribe button right. I post videos like this every single Tuesday, and they're designed to give you the exact systems used by 5, 6, and 7-figure brands. Now, the third technique is my personal favorite because it's a list building machine that also does half of your marketing for you. I'm talking about the product recommendation quiz. Quizzes are incredibly effective for 2 reasons. They're interactive and they promise personalization. People love learning about themselves, and a quiz offers them tailored results. You can build a quiz like what's your skincare personality or find your perfect coffee blend. The visitor answers a few simple questions about their preferences, lifestyle, or problems. And here's the magic. To get their personalized results, they enter their email address. Conversion rates on quizzes are often massive, far higher than a standard pop-up discount code, because the user is invested and genuinely curious. But it gets even better. You aren't just collecting an email, but you're collecting invaluable zero-party data. When someone tells you they have dry skin and are concerned about aging, you don't have to guess what products to market to them, my friend. You know. So you can automatically segment them in your email platform like Klaviyo and send them a welcome series that speaks directly to their needs, recommending the exact products that match their quiz results. This level of personalization is what turns a new subscriber into a loyal customer fast. It can even reduce product returns because customers feel more confident they're buying the right thing. This one's my favorite because it works like magic for list growth and conversions. One of my clients runs a gorgeous home decor brand that sells personalized house signs and seasonal subscription boxes. When we first started working together, her lead magnet was a 25% discount code, but it wasn't working. Her margins couldn't support it, her brand was too new to explain quickly, and conversions were under 2%. Instead, we built a product recommendation quiz. With so many customization options, size, color, finishes, her visitors had decision fatigue. The quiz solved that. It guided them to their perfect sign in just a few clicks. And here's what happened. 4,700 people started the quiz in the first few months. 2,100 finished it. That's a 46% completion rate. And 450 created cards. Out of those 450, 94 orders came through, generating over $6,000 in revenue in just a few months. And that's just from one aligned lead magnet paired with a simple follow-up flow. That's the power of quizzes. They capture emails, solve problems, and segment customers so your marketing feels personal from day one. Technique number 4 is about finding the email growth spots on your website that you are probably ignoring. Your email capture effort shouldn't just be one pop-up, and that's it. The first hidden spot is your blog. If you're creating content, and you should, you have a golden opportunity. People reading a blog post are already engaged. Instead of just having a generic newsletter sign up in the footer, embed a visually appealing and relevant sign up form in the middle of your articles. If the article is about 10 ways to style a white t-shirt, the form should offer a complete style guide or early access to new arrivals. The second spot is the checkout page. This is one of the highest intent pages on your site. A customer is literally about to give you money. Don't miss this chance. Many platforms like Shopify let you add a simple pre-selected checkbox that says something like add me to the VIP list for exclusive offers and early access to new products. It's a frictionless way to capture the emails of actual paying customers, your most valuable subscribers by far. And finally, look at your order confirmation page. Someone just trusted you enough to buy something. This is the peak of their excitement. Use this page to invite them to your loyalty program or a VIP club for staying on the email list. Don't let these high-value pages go to waste. The final technique is all about bridging the gap between your platforms and turning your fans and existing customers into subscribers. First up, your social media audience. Your followers don't automatically equal customers. You need to move that audience from a platform you don't own, like Instagram or TikTok, to a channel you do own, your email list. Don't just say link in bio. Use that link to drive followers to a dedicated landing page for one of your powerful lead magnets. Run a giveaway where an email sign up is the price for entry. Announce it in your stories and post with a clear call to action. Want to win a $500 gift card? Enter with your email at the link in our bio. Second, and this is hugely overlooked, is capturing emails from people who have already bought from you. Use your packaging. Include a small, well-designed card in every order with a QR code. The QR code shouldn't just go to your homepage. It should lead to a special page offering something valuable like an extended warranty, a free gift with their next purchase, or entry into an exclusive VIP program, all in exchange for their email. This captures customers who might have skipped the checkout opt-in and makes them feel rewarded for engaging with your brand after the purchase. It's one of the most effective ways to build a list of proven buyers. Now, putting these 5 techniques into practice requires a system. It's not just about doing one thing, but creating a multi-layered strategy for capturing emails at every stage of the customer journey. So, which of these techniques will you try first? If you want to find the best lead magnet for your e-commerce store, I've built a quick quiz that shows you exactly what type of freebie will attract buyers, not just freebie seekers. You can take it at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/quiz, and I'll drop the link in the show notes as well. See what I did there? Pretty meta, huh? And for those of you who are ready to get serious about email marketing and want to learn how to show up consistently with value-driven emails, build that blog that builds trust, nurtures relationships, and create predictable sales, then the e-commerce email rhythm playbook is your next step. Check the description for the link to find out more. Now, growing your email list from 0 to hero doesn't happen by accident. It happens by replacing lazy generic tactics with a strategic, value-driven system. It's about understanding your customer and offering them something genuinely useful at every single turn. You need to use smart welcome offers, create valuable lead magnets, engage with quizzes, optimize every page on your site, and turn your social followers and existing customers into loyal subscribers. Start with just one of these techniques today, build on it next week, and in a few months, you won't be looking at a flat line anymore. You'll be looking at a thriving list of engaged fans who are excited to buy from you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to take the free quiz and see exactly how I do it in practice. Cheering you on, my friend. See you next week.
You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that